Today's tutorial will assist you in how to recover permanently deleted files from the desktop folder on Windows. We will use a third-party data recovery software, named Tenorshare 4DDig. Tenorshare 4DDig supports Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. This data recovery software is also available for macOS users. It would be fair to say that the desktop folder is vulnerable to data loss. There is a much greater chance of losing data on the desktop, as compared to other folders and partitions. You must have seen people using Photoshop, Microsoft Word, video editing programs, and other such programs, having a computer screen stuffed full of files. To save a few seconds, or easily access files, you probably even do the same thing on your computer. You save files to the desktop folder while working. We mistakenly remove important files when the desktop is stuffed and badly cluttered, in an attempt to put things in order. It is not a big deal. If a file is accidentally deleted, there is still the option of restoring the file. Your bad times begin after you empty the recycle bin with one click. Apparently, it seems to be impossible to restore files after the recycle bin is empty. Fortunately, it is possible to restore or recover deleted files. You can use a data recovery software to restore a very important file, even after you empty the recycle bin. We suggest using Tenorshare 4DDig for all types of data loss situations. Use Tenorshare 4DDig for two reasons. First, it offers robust data recovery features. Secondly, this data recovery software is truly user-friendly, with an easy-to-navigate interface. It can recover all types of files, including audio, video, text, files, Word files, documents, photos, and other things. Among other data recovery features, desktop, recycle bin, and select a folder are extremely useful, and time-saver data recovery options. Without having to scan an entire hard disk, or partitions, you can recover your targeted file with ease. Let's suppose you have deleted a PDF file from the desktop and emptied the recycle bin. All you have to do is double-click on Desktop, uncheck all options except the document option, and then click Scan selected file types to kickstart the scanning. The scan is complete. You now need to find your required files. If this option fails, to restore your desired files, go back and try using the recycle bin option. Click Scan selected file types. After unchecking all options except document, allow it a few minutes. The option should hopefully be able to recover deleted files. It would be no exaggeration to say that data recovery programs are used to recover videos and photos in 70% of data loss cases. Nearly all data recovery programs manage to recover lost or deleted videos and photos. But the problem occurs after recovery. Often photos and videos become corrupted, broken, or truncated. After the recovery process finishes, you have to use an additional photo or video repair program. Tenorshare 4DDig comes with built-in video and photo repair tools. All you have to do is add photos or videos and click Repair. It will automatically repair your videos and photos. Data loss not only occurs by mistake, several other factors can lead to data loss or deletion as well. Besides your own mistake, viruses, malware, and power failure are among the primary reasons for data loss disasters. These things can cause a partition, or even an entire hard drive, to be corrupted, resulting in a data loss disaster. If your hard disk or other storage device has no physical damage or mechanical failure, Tenorshare 4D Dig can recover your data. You can use the Devices and Drivers option to scan a formatted, deleted, or corrupted partition for data recovery. This data recovery option takes longer than other options. It depends on partition and data size. The scanning duration can be shortened if you select a specific file type to be scanned. The software will scan the selected file type and relatively take less time. We hope this tutorial has been effective for you to recover deleted files from the desktop folder. Hopefully, we managed to explain how things work in Tenorshare 4D Dig. Feel free to contact Team Soft Suggester. If we could not cover any crucial points, we will try our best to assist you. Leave your queries, suggestions, and feedback in the comment box.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.